What's up, my dudes? Today we're going to be doing a fade update after 6 months of wearing this Heart 293 CPO. Let's do it. So a couple people have asked me about how the fades are coming in on this thing, and I wanted to do a quick update. I bought this about 6 months ago from the Self Edge, and it was my first new non-outlet Heart piece, so I was kind of coming at this from an investment standpoint in a way. I got this because I was thinking that a CPO would give me the biggest bang for my buck, in that if you get your sizing right in that sweet spot, you could use it as a shirt and a jacket, and well, I think that was a pretty reasonable prediction. This is called the IHSH 293 OD, the CPO in overdyed black. This has really kind of become the most wearable thing that I have. In a sense, it's almost too wearable because I feel like I wear it too much sometimes. By the way, if anybody's wondering, here are my measurements. So far, I've worn this about 3 times a week for the past 6 months. Pretty steady. Like, there was a couple weeks in the winter where it stayed in the closet, but other than that, it's kind of been my partner in crime. The honeycombs, which is what people kind of call the fading on the arms here, they're coming along really nice. The bends and creases are really wearing in, so it feels like it's tailor-made for me. I'm nerding out about it because this is my first real piece of selvage denim. It's definitely a little bit softer than it was when I first got it. Not that it was really stiff when I first got it, but I do notice a little bit of a difference there. I've spot cleaned it a lot, and I washed it just one time. For the record, I just machine washed it on delicate and hang dried. I didn't really have any issues. I know there's some people who get special detergent and whatnot. I haven't really looked into any of that. The regular detergent seemed to work just fine. You can see, especially when the light shines on it in a certain way, that the indigo is really starting to pop out and shine through now. I tried to use a few different lighting situations so you could see. Hopefully that helps a little bit. I had a couple of friends ask me where I got this, and I think that's a pretty genuine compliment when somebody's like, hey, how do I get one of those? As opposed to just, hey, nice shirt, dude. I think this jives pretty well with the older punk hardcore metal dude vibe, which is definitely the aesthetic that I'm going for. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got on this one. Really cool shirt jacket, still going strong. Fades are super duper cool. Maybe I'll do another one of these at the year mark. But yeah, thanks for watching, dudes. So what do you think? By all means, feel free to speak your mind in the comments about stuff you want to see on the channel and whatever else you got on your mind. Peace, my dudes.